On the Face of It by Susan Hill. A sensitive play that explores loneliness, prejudice, and the importance of self-acceptance. The play revolves around two main characters. The first is Derry, a 14-year-old boy who feels deeply unhappy because one side of his face has been badly burned by acid. Because of this scar, Derry believes that people look at him with fear, pity, or disgust. As a result, he has become withdrawn and bitter. The second character is Mr. Lamb, an elderly man who lives alone in a large house with a beautiful garden. Mr. Lamb lost one of his legs in the war and now walks with the help of a wooden leg. Despite his disability, Mr. Lamb remains cheerful and optimistic about life. One day, Derry enters Mr. Lamb's garden quietly because he thinks the house is empty. When Mr. Lamb notices him, he welcomes the boy warmly instead of being angry. At first, Derry feels uncomfortable and defensive. He assumes that Mr. Lamb will also judge him because of his scarred face. However, Mr. Lamb speaks to him kindly and treats him like a normal person. As the conversation continues, Mr. Lamb shares his thoughts about life. He believes that people should not allow their physical limitations to control their happiness. He compares human beings to the bees in his garden, which continue to work and live freely without worrying about imperfections. Mr. Lamb encourages Derry to face the world with courage instead of hiding from it. Derry explains how people often behave differently around him. Some stare at his scar, while others avoid him completely. These experiences have made him feel isolated and angry. He believes that life has treated him unfairly. However, Mr. Lamb gently challenges this attitude and reminds him that everyone has some difficulty in life. Gradually, Derry begins to feel more comfortable while talking to Mr. Lamb. For the first time, someone is listening to him without judging him. Mr. Lamb encourages Derry to think positively and to explore the world instead of shutting himself away. Before leaving, Derry promises that he will return to the garden. Later, Derry goes home and tells his mother about his meeting with Mr. Lamb. Although she is worried, Derry decides to go back and visit him again. However, when Derry returns to the garden, he finds something shocking. Mr. Lamb has fallen from a ladder while picking apples and has died. The play ends with Derry standing near Mr. Lamb, calling out to him, but receiving no response. On the Face of It highlights how people often judge others based on their physical appearance. Through Mr. Lamb's character, the play teaches an important lesson that life should be lived with courage, acceptance, and openness. Even though Mr. Lamb dies, his words leave a lasting impact on Derry's thinking. The play reminds us that real strength lies not in physical perfection, but in the ability to face life positively. Through the friendship between Derry and Mr. Lamb, Susan Hill shows how understanding and kindness can transform someone's outlook on life. Read slowly, think deeply. This is Quiet Recall.